Alright, so here's the scoop. Quadra News just dropped some fresh leaks about the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and they've been pretty spot on with all the DJI, GoPro, and Insta360 leaks lately, so this one's worth paying attention to. We've got pricing details. It's $399, puts it right in line with the GoPro Hero 13 Black, but it's already looking like Insta360 is about to shake things up. Let's start by looking at the newly released Osmo Action 5 Pro, which comes in $50 cheaper than the Hero 13. Despite the lower price, it actually delivers better overall value. But things are about to take a turn with the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which is set to raise the bar. Its key feature? 8K recording, something neither the GoPro Hero 13 nor the Osmo Action 5 Pro can offer. But the leaks don't stop there. Igor Bogdanov gave us another sneak peek at the Ace Pro 2, saying that all that's left to reveal are the full specifications. So, we're on the edge of our seats waiting to see what other surprises Insta360 has in store for us. And here's something else to consider. Insta360 recently launched two new AI-powered 4K webcams, the Insta360 Link 2 and Link 2C. These webcams are seriously cool, featuring the latest AI-driven image enhancement and noise reduction capabilities. That means you get super clear, lifelike video and audio, all without needing an external microphone. Plus, they've got AI-powered motion tracking, which lets the camera follow you smoothly and keeps your shots steady without any awkward jumps. Now, imagine if some of that AI magic trickles down to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. We could be looking at a camera that not only shoots in 8K, but also uses AI to keep everything perfectly framed and stabilized. Pretty exciting, right? Now, let's talk about when we might actually see this beast hit the market. While nothing's confirmed yet, we're not expecting to see the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 before the end of September. In fact, it's looking more likely that we'll see a mid-October release date. But you know how these things go. Tech launches can be unpredictable. So, we'll be keeping our ears to the ground for any updates. In the meantime, what do you think? Are you pumped for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2? Or are you going for GoPro Hero 13 Black or Osmo Action 5 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay in the loop with all the latest news and leaks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll be bringing you all the updates as soon as we hear more. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.